Break ID number 5917. 3 late 2000s LeBron James jersey cards. So how these RAZZs work now is the clock starts as soon as the first spot is purchased. Once that first spot is purchased, is 24 hours before it breaks, no matter how many other spots are sold. So this one only had one other one. So it's just between two people. That's how all the RAZZs work. Between Daniel WO and Tad BE, randomize each side 3 times. And whoever lands next to the winner gets it. And it goes in your account instantly. Go. Tad BE.